Tēnā koutou. It's wonderful seeing you here today. E karanga ana ngā puawa nui. Do you know what that means? It's Toi Time. Reheko!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching Toi Time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi Time!
That is very interesting.
What is it, Hua?
You look so much like your mama.
That's what everyone says.
But I look nothing like mine.
Oh, that's true.
I wonder why.
Maybe we could ask Mōhio.
Great idea. Hey, Mōhio,
Kia ora, Tama.
why does Maya look like her mum and, well, I don't look like mine?
Some people look alike and some whānau don't. You look the way you do because of your genetics.
And what is genetics?
Your genetics flow from your tupuna to you. They make all your physical features, like how your face looks and how tall you are.
Oh, well, I look like my papa, but some say I have my nanny's nose.
And I do look like my mama, but my smile is the same as my papa. See?
Exactly, Korua. Our whakapapa is a weaving together of all those who came before us.
Wow. Ka wani ke.
We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi. We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi. Family and your friends, that's where it begins. Eating yummy kai, auntie's homemade pies. Going to the beach, fish and chips, sandy feet. Sundays at the house, movies on the couch. We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi. We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi. No matter where you are, or whānau near and far, just pick up the phone and you'll be close to home. We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi. We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi. We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi. We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi.
Ngeru. Kia ora, my cuzzies. Buster Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm hanging out with my whānau. My cuzzies are here to play, and we're playing Snap. Come on. Oh, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, we forgot to plant our kai in the mara. Is that us? Yeah? Come on. Gonna plant some chives. Can you say chives?
Chives.
Hey, there we go. Some chives. What's your favourite thing you like planting?
My favourite thing I like planting?
Yeah.
Potatoes.
Potatoes.
I like planting potatoes too.
Do you like planting kind in the garden?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I help my mums a lot.
Yeah, that's awesome. Hey, what about all of our beautiful kai here? Do you reckon any of it's ready to eat or not yet?
Maybe a few days.
Maybe a few days? I think you're right. Hey, it's starting to rain. We better get up under the shelter, eh? Is that us? All right, come on, cuzzies. Let's go. Hanging out with my whānau, yeah. Cousins and brothers and sisters and aunties and uncles. Oh, Cousin Tania's in the kitchen cooking up a boil up. That's my favourite. Oi, do you boys want some boil up?
Yeah!
Have a boil up. Hey, at the end of the day, fun, if you're having a bad day, have a boil up. Yeah, do the spin thing too.
Boil up's ready.
The boil up is ready. Ka kite anō whānau.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mummy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? It's the 5-finger dress-up family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mummy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? It's the 5-finger dress-up family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There we go. All my putti tucked in there, ipu.
Knock, knock.
I thought I heard something.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Woo.
Woo. Woohoo!
Oh, woohoo! Oh, thank you. Homake, maki, maki. Ai, haere tonu. Oh, thank you, kati.
Cheeky.
Ah, whoa! He tino a tāhua ngā puti. Oh, would you look at the time? It's time to tākaro!
Yes!
Come on, Jojo!
Woohoo! Oh, hika Buzz. It's my favourite game. Kaupapa.
Yeah, I love kaupapa.
Te tāhua hoki.
I play this all the time with my whānau at home.
Ah, wehina. Let's play. Mau e whakatinana. You can do the actions and I will guess.
Cool, Jojo. I'm ready. All right, I'll grab that. Okay, this only goes for a minute. Toru,
Rua.
tahi.
Okay, Buzz.
Ooh, this Māori card says you can only use your body. You aren't to say a single kupu. Kapai?
Kapai. Okay.
Awhi awhi. Rākau. Ngāhere.
Here we go.
Kaumātua.
You're really good.
Puku. Hiakai? Pepe.
Yes, you got it. Oh, amazing. I can't wait to meet your Pepe.
And end scene. Thank you so much. One of my most favourite things to do is perform in front of my whānau. You too? Yes! My whānau have a really fun tradition. If it's our birthday, we perform a concert for each other. Thank you. I don't know if you know, but I'm a pretty good singer. I'm quite a big deal. I think I might be the best singer in my whānau. And my mum, she loves poetry, so she writes a poem for her birthday concert, like this. My aroha for my whānau is as deep as the moana. It is as wide as the ngahere. It is as high as the maunga. He aroha maurua moake. She's such a good poet. And my uncle, he's a huge jokester. He likes to tell funny jokes like this. Hey, niece, what do you call a fish wearing a bow tie? So sophisticated. He's quite crack up. My sister, oh, she's such an amazing dancer. But I think I'll leave the dancing up to her. Everyone in our whānau is different, so actually that makes us all the same. And the most important thing is we can all share and laugh together. Ka kite! No autographs, please. I'm too famous. Woo! Okay, one autograph. Who do I make it out to? Donkey. Okay.
Oh, namu, this all looks delicious.
It sure does.
Oh, no.
Oh, here, Hauoma.
There are 3 hanawati and only 2 of us.
Oh, so...
Only one of us can have 1 hanawati while the other has 2.
Oh. Oh, I know.
Yes?
You can have the first hanawiti, and I'll have the second, and then we can cut the third in half.
Oh, that is so smart, Wolfie. Actually, Wolfie, you can have the 2 hanawati.
Oh, really?
Sure. Next time you can let me have 2 hanawati.
Oh, thank you for sharing with me, Oma.
Tink.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass gets broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat gets cross, Mama's gonna buy you a rocking horse. And if that rocking rocking horse turns over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. And if that dog named Rover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna show you the big blue sky. And if that big blue sky turns grey, Mama's gonna plan you a movie day. And when that movie day is done, you'll tell your friends it was such fun. And next time they can all come round, we'll be the greatest house in town.
Night, Maya.
Night, Tama. Night, Jojo. Night.
We're playing blocks with my cousins and my sister. We have lots of things to make. I love making people. Wow. I need bodies and heads and hair. Now, we like to make our stories. We are sisters. My cousins are funny.
But look what she does, actually.
We tidy up. There are lots of blocks to put away. I love playing with my family.
I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even uncles too. I love my mama, she gives the best house. I love my papa, he also gives the best hugs. I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even uncles too. I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even aunties too. I love my sister, she shares her lollies with me. I love my brother, he also shares his lollies with me. Woohoo! Yeah! I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even uncles too. I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even aunties too. Even Nana too. Even cousins too. And baby sisters too.
While we're outside today, Maya, I thought we could play What's in the Box? All right, go on then. OK, Jojo, let's do it. Ooh. this feels interesting. The hard and smooth. I have no idea what they are. Wow, Jojo! I do know what they are. Titiro. Anei te tāne. Anei te wahine. Me ngā tamariki. So, in my whānau, this is my papa and my mama. This is me, and this is my sister.
Piwari, Maya. Is this your whole whānau?
Aye.
Well, I have a few more in my whānau. It's me and my bro. My mama and my papa aren't together anymore, so now it's my papa and my stepmama and my mama and my stepdad.
Wow. You have so many people who love you, Jojo.
I sure do. Whānau come in all shapes and sizes.
Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. Skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinka-dinka-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. I love you.
Today we're spending the day with Nana. We're at the beach. We help Nana carry everything. We find a nice spot to sit. My name is Landon. I'm 8 years old. This is my little brother Lloyd. He is 5 years old. This is my little cousin Lunara. She is 7. This is my little sister Kaja. She is 3 years old. And this is my cousin Lanieta. She is 3 years old. This is Una. He is 11 years old. And we have my Nana Emmy here too. My Nana is so lovely.
Tiger! Buffalo! Pussy!
We always do lots of singing together. We go to the playground. I love special time with my family.
Kia ora. Jojo and I are weaving harakeke. That is a beautiful puti puti, Jojo. And I'm making a small pakete.
Kia ora, korua.
Oh, kia ora, Riki.
Ooh, what are you two making?
We've been doing mahi rāranga.
Oh, what is rāranga?
Weaving. Do you want to join?
Well, I'm not sure how to rāranga, but I could try.
That's okay. Mā maua ko Jojo koe e awhina. We can help you, Riki, ne, Jojo. Tika, Maya. We'll help you, Riki.
Okay.
Your turn, Riki.
Okay.
I remember my nanny telling me when she was weaving her whāriki that mahi rāranga represents kotahitanga.
Oh, what is kotahitanga, Maya?
When many people come together, like whānau, we weave all the strands with one another. Together, they become one and create something wonderful together. Maya, that kōrero from your nanny is very special. Speaking of special, I made something for you, Jojo. This is for your pepi, an ika that I wove earlier. Thank you, Maya. I love it, so I know Pepi will too.
Ātāhua.
Me haere tonu te mahi? Ai.
Hai.
Ka pai.
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about a magical tiger. One sunny day in Kirikiriroa, Aria and Rohan were playing with their kitten Bruno in the backyard when she magically transformed into a huge tiger with bright orange fur and black stripes. Whoa, Bruno, I didn't know you could do that, Rohan explained. Aria giggled nervously. How are we going to explain a tiger in the house to Mum and Dad? Aria and Rohan gathered around the little tiger, brainstorming ideas to turn Bruno back into a kitten. We need something magical, Aria suggested. Rohan nodded, like a special chant or a spell. They gathered magical ingredients, a shiny stone, a feather, and flower petals. Reciting a special chant, they sprinkled the petals over Bruno. She glowed softly and transformed back into a fluffy kitten. Aria and Rohan high-fived and Bruno purred happily. When Mum asked about their outdoor adventure, Aria said mischievously, "Just a little magic to keep Bruno from getting too big." Kua oti, the end.
Hi, Edera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha e nohora. Ka kite anō, we'll see you